Hey guys, now in today's video, we're taking a look at a ultra short throw projector brought to us by Formovie. And this is a great projector for those of you who are looking to step up the video or movie viewing experience in your home. And you don't have a lot of space to do so. This is a 4K ultra high definition projector that uses triple laser technology to give you a fantastic movie experience. And we're talking not just a standard movie experience, but a Dolby Vision movie experience. And if you've never seen Dolby Vision in life, it's incredible. It will literally provoke you to want to watch your favorite shows over and over again because of the detail and the overall quality of what you're seeing. Now, this projector has a 2,800 ANSI lumen light source that's going to give you 20,000 hours of viewing experience. That's going to last a lifetime. ALPD 4.0, 107 BT220 compliance, and it could go anywhere from 80 to 150 inch screen. Now, we're going to be testing this out in a 120 inch screen. And the cool thing about this is we talked about being able to use this in small room environments. You could get small as 80 inches with no more than 5 inches from the wall. And you could go all the way up to 19 inches, and that's going to give you 150. And we, again, not having a lot of space, just a couple inches from the wall, we're able to get a great 120-inch screen experience. So that's the power of these projectors. And because this projector supports Dolby Vision and audio, you're going to get the best video experience and the best audio experience coming from a single package. And later on, if you'd like, you can add on a sound system to it, but you really don't need to because of how well this unit performs. It does have Android TV built in, and because it has Android TV built in, again, that's going to give you that in-the-box theater experience. Literally, all you do is plug this thing in, find a wall, power it up, log into your Android TV, and you're set to start streaming directly from the box. Now, I highly recommend that you do get a screen. The screen is going to step this up, and it's really going to accentuate the colors. And in my experience, what I would mention is that this is a great TV alternative. It could eliminate your TV because of how well it performs in both lit environments and in dark environments. Now, the audio experience is powered by Bowers & Wilkins audio. So this is, again, going to give you that experience where you can actually start using this without having to have an additional sound system in your house. Now, we've invested in that. We have that because of the nature of how we like watching TV. But this is an investment, and if you want to grow your home theater, you can start with us and then add something on that if you'd like to, but you really don't need to given how loud and how well this thing performs. So you basically have two 15-watt speakers. You also have 3 HDMI 2.1, 2 USB, an optical, and a mini jack connection. So you have a lot of choices when it comes to connecting. So that's going to be able to support some legacy solutions and also some of the new solutions. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a closer look at the operating system. We'll see how it performs, and then you'll see why this is a great upgrade to your current, I would say, TV viewing experience. We say home theater, but literally any room in your home can be a home theater. Let's check it out. Now, on the side of the projector, you do have venting as well as a speaker. You also have 2 adjustment legs in the front that are going to allow you to adjust the pitch of the projector based on your wall. So if there's any imperfections, you'll be able to adjust that. You also have a mute switch also on the bottom if you want to be able to mute the mic. Now, this projector will run whisper quiet. I do have central air in my home, so there's going to be some white noise part of this, but what we're going to do is going to stay quiet so you can see what's kind of like the noise level coming from the projector, again, with including the white noise in my home. I do have a central air system, but I wanted to share with you how quiet this projector is. Literally, you don't hear anything coming from the projector. Now, there is some white noise being generated from my central air, but let's stay quiet so you can see how quiet this is. That's pretty spectacular. Now, the projector does come with an Android remote, and it's just a standard remote. Very simple. You have your dial here, back button, menu button, shortcut to YouTube. And this projector does have Android TV built in, and it's the most current version of Android TV. And the cool thing is that you're going to be able to have this unit simply as I would say, a TV in a box or a theater in a box, because there's really nothing else to add to it. All you got to do is plug it in, power it up, sign into your Gmail account, and there you go. You have Android TV going, and you'll be able to download and stream from all your favorite apps. Now, this is running Android TV, and it's going to give you access to a whole host of streaming services. One of the things I did notice is that I was able to install Netflix, and even though Netflix is available and installed, this is what I noticed happened once I launched it. I did get an error message from Netflix just letting me know that this was not compatible with this device. When I choose OK, I'm not able to actually launch it, even though I'm able to install it. So if you're looking to be able to stream Netflix, all you have to do is get a NVIDIA Shield, which is what I run, or you can use an Apple TV or any other streaming solution. Also, an Amazon Fire Stick, 4K, which is going to also give you great audio experience as well. So rest assured that the majority of the features are there, with the exception of Netflix. Now, on the projector side, you have some configuration choices that you can go through. One is going to be your keystone selection, so you'll be able to adjust it either using a 4-point or an 8-point correction. And this is going to allow you to really adjust your screen so it fits, or the projection fits exactly on your screen. And it's going to be very forgiving, right? So you don't have to worry about having a wall that is not 100% square. On this side, you can set up your focus if you'd like to go ahead and do that. You also have your projection method, which is going to be either front, rear, or ceiling mount. And you can see that you have a lot of options when it comes to how you use this. Brightness mode, infrared body sensor, and then this is where you're able to enable Dolby Vision. So the cool thing about this projector is that it does support Dolby Vision, and that means that your streaming services that have Dolby Vision are going to be looking absolutely spectacular in this projector. Now, here's an example of what you could expect if you were to stream Dolby content on this projector. You're talking about amazing video quality, color, depth, detail is all present. And for me, this is what it's really all about, being able to consume this content at 120 inches or more. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.